Good morning. Today is about November 24. No? Again, documented niya siya, documented by himself because I'm very proud of that. God's gift siguro, taga-Amerika mo ko siya, no? Retired police lieutenant, from Florida. By which operated his ship, no? Operated ship, 4 months, he treated. Then, malagi, di nakabangon, di na naman, deteriorating, ano. Again, the reality is it's about nga, lisod yun guys, because of the age, old age, no? In the book, in the history, old age. That's why I really want curiosity, no? That's why I cannot blame Richard Branson, the owner of the Galactic, no? Virgin Galactic Space, na matuyahalay, makahard sa po niya, kaya read na po ang comments nga, ihatag na lang po sa mga pobre, kaya biyahig mo, no? Again, dili na yun, mapita na yung mga pobre sa akin, even maning kamot, no? Again, continue with Mr. Branson, kaya ako, continue yung pong kani, kagiyaan yung pagbuang, madadaning bike, na gitawag na Wonder Bike. I don't want Wonder Bike because this is from the test from the Harvard University. So here, again, I would like to thank Larry Page. Larry Page here, di ko ni makuha, kadugayon, ginani, nga 1 year na takapin, yan na increasing, and then, your country give me a money, who am I, no? Tagaan tagwarta, Larry Page, the owner of the CEO of the Google, yeah, again, freedom from the Canada, yeah, again, thankful ko sa mga sponsor, no? Today is about our, statement session, no? With Jasper from Florida, where I would like to thank the owner of YouTube, no? Kaya mahatag palagi silang money. Who am I, no? Tagal money. They're from America, from Harvard, yeah? Again, thank you, Susan Wisicki, there, from the owner of the YouTube. There, Michael Zuckerberg, no? The owner of Mark Zuckerberg, the owner of the Facebook, yeah? Again, thank you. Di ko din makuha, yun na ni Kidugayon without the Facebook, yeah? Again, all is documented and I based on the US, no? Again, the US Pilitanan. Ay ganang ako ang patient karon. Ako nag-mind meeting, no? One is mind meeting. Ako tiksan, akong tawagan nga. Be ready. Then our program today is about like that, yeah? In which I based in the Navy SEALs. The Navy SEALs in America, by which who killed Bin Laden, yeah? How many months we train and practice with that one? Again, yun na, no? So mind meeting ni tanan. Because 98% is the brain, right, you know? Then the heart. So then, dili mo makapuyan si exercise, kaway improvement, no? Here, from the Harvard Medical School, pinakangilin pinakabal sa school sa US, exercise the steps. How do I prepare the steps? Again, all of this stationary bike, a treatment in which I modified. Then, about 12 minutes maximum time in which 1 to 5, 1 hour ako twice a week. And every 5 minutes to go to the station, there you are. So again, this is for you, Forrest Branson, no? The owner of the Virgin Galactic there. Again, my experience also as a Southeast Asian game here, Southeast Asian game, pero dito, kabling i-upgrade ka, no? Mamadto na ka sa moon, no? Orbit sa moon. Kaya ako nang ipisalan, pero ang bago, no? Na kaning side here is yours, no? Na katulong mga galactic at the size mine, no? Parisa mo sa name, na world record, no? Na the first commercial space orbit sa moon. Kaya sorry lang, accident. Again, continue lang. Kaya maybe God have another problem to you. Mas better siguro, no? So, lagi na ako, ayan na, no? Okay. 1 year, ako na di ko madawat nga lahat of businessman nga ganahan nila i-manufacture but ato lagi sa China kay barato ra. And then, ato ra, balik ni tatak China na, I don't know like that, yeah? So, especially for Cebuano, no? Again, ibaligya lagi na mo ang ulat, no? Kaya para i-manufacture na lang ginani nga ako na lang, especially for the Cebu. Ay, wish lagi nga, wapala kong wapag-out sa market, exit mga pasyente, niya, itanawag na kinilang miracle bike, no? Kaya, pagawas na nila sa hospital, pero bawal na kang oxygen machine o tangke, buhi ka, ako na bahala, no? Then, kanila nga, elderly na, muna, hindi ako mudawat o pasyente dito sa Cebu, muna, ito, yan yung Cebu, nga 1 month, ako tayo pasyente, by which nga, I stick to my principles nga, without video, without education for all the people, hindi siya kumupit nila, no? Muna, stick ko na, by which 1 month, kaya pasyente, now, maybe kitagaan ko gap, the way nga sa akong gipamit niya nga, 2 months ko nga, stock money, yeah? It's about the care, no? It's about the care. Mo lagi, sa Amerika lagi sa sophisticated country, no? How many Americans around? About 15, no? Nga, na sa, I know that's a life exercises, but how to do it? Again, how to do it? That's my happiness. So again, I'm here raising the area. here. Documented sa this is our 8 treatment sessions, 4 months kali, di kay kalakaw. Tani, mulakaw na, hope na ato namin sa gawas, no? Again, all about education, no? Malagi na, all my brothers and sisters Filipino, para rin sa tuwa, no? Thank you guys yung suporta. Malagi na, everything is changed, no? Moni kang kuan, kang Branson, no? Nga, orbit sa moon, he is a big businessman in London. Malagi na, napula naman siya nga, success sa iyang business nga kuan. Ganun din mo change mo po siya by which your exercises kani tumarya po mong tambal paminaw tag radyo na ako para dili tabugan sa asawa tumaro na ba din tanan sa tuyo ya but why